Social interaction and physical touch. What social interaction does. Humans are social animals. Interacting with other people, even animals and strangers, supports our oxytocin system to increase feelings of trust in others and our sense of connection. Social interaction and physical touch helps us manage our stress response by reducing the stress hormones adrenaline and cortisol. It also increases our oxytocin, which decreases our sensitivity to pain, reduces our anxiety and depressive symptoms, and increases our calm and our happiness. Increased oxytocin activity stimulates dopamine production, so much so that oxytocin can help reduce substance addiction. What you can do. It's great to have options, but it really only takes one good friend to feel connected. If a friend isn't available or you're just not up to it, try starting small. Choose to just be around people instead of isolating yourself. Try not to think about being alone, but choose to focus on the energy of all the activity around you. If social interaction isn't built into your routine, or it's removed in some way, be mindful of when your routines change. Set up regular gatherings with friend groups so you don't have to find the energy to organize them. Massage and self-massage. If you can't easily get a massage from someone else, self-massage also works. You're aiming to apply pressure to your skin and muscles. There are lots of self-massage tools and techniques available for this. Along the lines of applying pressure to your muscles and joints, weighted blankets and compression clothing can also offer a calming effect. Physical contact with your own pets or helping out at an animal shelter is as good for you as it is for the animals. That's part of why emotional support animals can help. What if you have social anxiety? Anxiety around others typically comes from a fear of rejection and social exclusion, and it usually means we're engaging in a thinking habit that makes us feel uncomfortable. What can you do for yourself? All the things we just mentioned work great. Start small by finding ways to be around people that don't require much interaction or possibility of rejection. Instead of isolating yourself, sit in the presence of others, at least for the buzz of the activity. In Module 4 on Hacking Anxiety, we introduced the Catch It, Check It, Change It skill as a way of managing our thoughts better and deactivating our self-limiting thinking habit circuits. What you can do for others. If you have a friend or family member that has withdrawn from social interaction, consider making very clear efforts to include or invite them so that there's little room for misunderstanding. They may appreciate spending time with you, but may have trouble initiating or worry that you'll reject them. So be aware of that. Encourage them to engage with you in any of the strategies and activities mentioned. And meet them where they're at. Just being in the same room together, doing your own activity, can be enough companionship without too much social pressure. Okay, so that was the first 4 strategies of healthy brain chemistry. In review, you've learned lots that you can do intentionally to support your own mental wellness. We'll cover the last 3 strategies in our next session. Thanks for engaging, and see you next time.